Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today, Apple released iOS 14 Beta 2 to register developers, and we have a few changes on the home screen. We have a new calendar icon and a new clock icon. Calendar icon, the day is now abbreviated, and the number is a little bit bigger. And the clock icon has a little bit bigger hands and possibly some larger numbers as well. We still do have some bugs in here in our storage. So if we scroll down to the bottom here, the other storage is still using a considerable amount, taking up a lot of storage, more than normal. They do say that a fix is coming for that in a future OS update. It looks like we didn't get the fix for that in Beta 2, but seeing how it wasn't reported until shortly after Beta 1 released, it may not be something we see until the next update or so. They did add some new widgets, so if you go to your widgets here, they have a new size for photos, so you can do a large one now for that. They also added some new stuff for notes and reminders, as well as, forget what the other new one was, but there was one more new one in there. So we're seeing some more widgets as well, some new sizes, and they also have custom colors down here for different widgets, have different add widget box colors. So that is some of the new stuff. And then over here in feedback, we have our release notes, so there are some fixes. You can look through those as I scroll. So we do have some new fixes for accessibility and some other stuff, App Store issues. So a lot of that kind of stuff has been resolved. So hopefully some fewer bugs in this version, but we are still expecting some, like I said, the storage and stuff like that. But that's mainly the stuff that is new. I'm looking forward to seeing if the AirPod auto switching is working yet. It wasn't working before. But like I said, new icons, new updated icons, new widgets, and stuff like that, and hopefully some bug fixes here and there is what is new in iOS 14 Beta 2. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.